Hey everyone, this is Sadie. This is my first YouTube channel and my first video as well. So today I will teach you how to upload a video if you're a beginner. First, click on the upload a video option and select your video. You can choose only one video at a time. Better to check it if it's ready to upload or not. Try to give high resolution video as HD. The title has to be very enhancing so that people can watch your video by seeing the title only. Even if you are a beginner, don't worry. Just give a basic title so people can reach you out, and this might help them via your video. I am writing a video how to become a successful student by using this 7 hacks. Any hard word, just using a basic, because I'm also a beginner and I'm here to tell you the obstacles and the problems you might get as a beginner. And now description. So in description you have to describe the whole thing, and this is necessary to reach you out and to reach more people your video, so that you get more likes, more views, and might be more subscriber also. Now right now you can use hashtag, because hashtag is very capitative. This helps people. Yeah. Every time they click on hashtag, they might find your video there. Okay, so I can say that I am new in this, so there might be some issues with my voice or anything. Please, the video for kids. If you press on yes buttons, there might be some problem that comment disable and this and that, and age restriction. You have to click on no, because age restricted video not reach as much the other non-restricted videos. So yeah, the video is uploading. It takes time around 1 to 5 minutes according to the length of your videos. One more very important thing, you have to make your video first thing and unlisted, because in this unlisted video you can change your format, your title, your description change in unlisted program. After that you can do this on public, so that public can see your video. But firstly, if you're a beginner, don't just post it. Firstly unlisted this, then post it. Then you can add a very connecting or very nice thumbnail, so can people just see your thumbnail and they can press on the video. Don't worry at first if your video is not reaching right now that much. Don't worry, it will grow. Please subscribe and hit a like button if you like my video and if this is helpful to you.